I'm going to walk you through how to mirror your screen from iPhone to iPad. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to help the channel grow. So to screen mirror your iPhone to your iPad, you're going to head forward into App Store and get this app right from there. So once you get this app, you're going to go ahead and open it. Make sure you get it in both of your devices. Then now you're going to allow your iPhone to access devices on your local network. So also make sure they're connected to the same network. As you can see, I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi. So you're going to go ahead and click on localhost. Then it's going to go ahead and search for your iPad. So this is my iPad right here, second generation. So I'll click on it and I click on start broadcast. So when I click on start broadcast and I move back right to my home screen right here, as you can see, I've actually screen mirror my iPhone to my iPad.